Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a calling app with your Power Apps. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I'm showing you a very simple Power App where I have two entries, some sample entries and numbers. So if I click on call, tap on call, what happens? I'm gonna get this calling option. So how can you make it? So guys, the first portion of the data is coming from here, this SharePoint list. So in my personal environment, I created a list. I have a title field where I'm storing the names as you saw in the app, and then the number. Okay. Now we need to design a Power App on top of it. So I have made this calling app. So what I did on this blank app, I added a gallery first, and then the data source was pointing to the SharePoint list. Phone list. Then I added two labels to store name and number. Then I added a button. Now the most important point is the launch. This button I connected with this launch function. Tell means make a phone call, and this item dot number. So that is how easy it is. So I hope you're gonna like this video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.